the iPhone 13 series, the family's middle child, the 13 Pro, while not seemingly different from his siblings, contains 3 essential differences from the regular 13. We had a chance to try it out, so without further ado, take a look at what we think of it. In the box next to the phone itself comes Lightning to USB-C type charging cable. At the first glance, the iPhone 13 Pro is noticeably heavier than the standard smartphone. But that's to be expected, considering that the entire casing is glass, which we have to admit looks phenomenal. With a profile thickness of 7.7mm, it could have a slightly bulkier feel. What makes it significantly different from the standard iPhone 13 is the display, the battery and the camera. So let's say something about them. At 6.1 inches of diagonal, the 13 Pro offers a pixel density of 460 ppi and a screen brightness of 1000 nits and 1200 nits at the peak, which offers excellent visibility even in the brightest sun. Although the standard 13 offers a slightly weaker display, the main difference is that the 13 Pro contains the so-called ProMotion. ProMotion is essentially an adaptable refresh rate. Although the 13 Pro offers a refresh rate up to 120Hz, this is not always what you need. For example, if you're watching a 24 FPS video, the display only needs to be refreshed 24 times per second, which significantly saves and extends battery life. As we have already said, the 13 Pro is noticeably heavier, but apart from the fact that it's completely made out of glass, this is largely due to the fact that the battery is much larger compared to previous models. With 3248 mAh, the 13 Pro will provide 6 to 7 hours of constant screen operation, giving you more time to take photos, which is perhaps what interests you the most. So let's talk camera next. What's important to mention right away, the 13 Pro offers a very consistent look of images in different lighting conditions, which is a big relief if you don't understand too much about the individual aspects of photography. With the possibility to choose between wide, ultra-wide, telephoto and even macro, which is insane by the way, 13 Pro offers a camera for all needs. Video recording is also enriched with various additional settings, from which, well, at least to us, most interesting is the so-called cinematic mode. The Pro 13 uses iOS 15, which can be upgraded to iOS 15.1, and with 128GB of internal memory, expandable up to 1TB, and 6GB of RAM, it ensures lag-free smooth use. The iPhone 13 has IP68 water and dust resistance, so that's another plus. Without the protective case though, it could be damaged since the whole casing is made out of glass, so it may not be a bad idea to get a protective case ASAP. The case we used in this video is Apple Pro 13 MagSafe clear case, and it grips very snugly to the phone, so you don't have to worry that it will fall out. Compared to Apple's previous iPhone 12 series, the 13 series offers quite big improvements, and even one of the biggest ones when it comes to 2 back-to-back iPhone series. All in all, it's a great smartphone that meets all of today's standards, and whether you're an Apple user or not, it definitely deserves to be looked into.